I'm Tami Frain. I am the proud owner of Romeo Foxtrot. Romeo Foxtrot is a 116 Hargrave, and we took delivery of her in January, and I couldn't be more excited. Well, you know I keep talking about this over and over and over, how wonderful it is, but it has honestly opened my eyes to a whole new world of boating. It's called the Blender, and the Blender is just, I mean, the capabilities of the Blender and what I'm able to do is amazing. I'm able to work remotely and honestly not miss a day at work. People at the office don't even know I'm gone. They think I'm just working from home or whatever the case is. So I am able to enjoy my time on the ocean without people even knowing I'm gone. We had our grandchildren on, and as I mentioned, I think we went to West End, again in the Bahamas. We were all working while the kids were watching Cocomelon. And I mean, Cocomelon over and over and over. You know, while you're in transit, that's a lot to ask of a Wi-Fi system. And the kids, kept the kids occupied the whole time, kept their minds off of, you know, maybe there's uneven seas, and, you know, everybody was happy doing their own thing. And I mean, meanwhile, we're using the Wi-Fi. We also charter this, so, you know, I'm really confident that when charter guests come aboard, they will also be able to experience not being away from their office. You know, I know a lot of people want to do vacation. Vacation's great for everyone, but people just do not want to lose that connectivity. So I'm really impressed with this Blender. It's amazing. I couldn't be more pleased. It's opened my eyes, and it's just created so many, you know, my husband always wants to be on the boat. Let's go on the boat. And I would just turn it down. No, I can't. Because I had to work. Yeah, I can't take off that much time. I'm ready. I can work. I can do what I do at home or at the office. So it's very convenient, and it's really opened my eyes to a whole new world.